we're going to talk about the 5 R's. So reducing is lowering the amount of unnecessary waste in the environment by making conscious choices to choose alternatives with less harmful materials. We have the cloth bag instead of plastic. This is circle water bottle, metal straws.
Rot is just like decaying, essentially compost. According to the EPA, 30% of our waste is compost. If you compost it, it doesn't produce methane, and then you also are able to like essentially close the loop on like where the food waste goes. The problem with recycling is that a lot of stuff isn't actually recyclable. Like with these numbers, if you look, most recycling programs don't cover like a lot of these.
Reuse, do it.